Gave these a test run in Hawaii snorkeling. They are salty and need to be rinsed off. The glass worked well for us. It did not fog. Absolutely love that it did have this at the top. Water did not get in for us. We had no issues there. The silicone also held up great. We didn't have any leakage into our faces at all. Also really loved having these bags. We would just carry them handle in. They air dried in the bag. It was super easy, especially with some of the rocky injuries we had. And we were trying to just get to the snorkeling spots to just carry them like this and then be able to use our gear and put it back in to carry it out. Overall, each of us had a different color. Some attached them on the right side, some attached them on the left. So love that we had the flexibility that everybody could attach the breathability parts as they wanted. The mouthpiece did hold up well for us. Really, all we need to do now is rinse off all the salt water. We should have done that before, but here we are, and use them again, and absolutely thrilled with this. I think we used them on 5 different encounters over the trip, and no one had an issue at all. As long as you are fine with the snorkeling part, the silicone was food grade, and it did hold up fantastic for us. Overall, I'd say these are fantastic for beginners, easy to breathe through. They did not fog. Vision was wide enough for us, and love that we all had our own color. I would definitely recommend that. If you go back the second day, you kind of want to use your own. We got 5, all held up great. If you're on the fence, I would recommend these. And if this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.